Hi there and good evening. My name is Hinda and welcome to my channel. So today I have two things that I want to get done, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide them between each other so that I shouldn't get too tired of doing one thing and another thing. Like this, I'll be changing between one and two. So what I want to get done today is this giraffe that I'm making. I made all the pieces ready. Here's the body, the head, and then all the little pieces, the arms, the horns, the ears, etc. So I need to sew these all together. And the other thing that I want to do is begin a tutorial for a knit sweater with these two colors, brown and green. So I decided to give myself 10 minutes to work on each thing. So I'm gonna begin with the giraffe, 10 minutes of sewing on some of the things. After 10 minutes, I'm going to switch and begin filming a tutorial on my computer. Now it's 8:14 p.m. So at 8:24, I'm gonna switch. So I've got the head and the arms done, so cute. And I have another 2 minutes until it's 24. So I'm going to start with one of the ears. Let's see if I can finish it before I need to switch. Okay, it's already 8:24. So I'm gonna leave this off and begin the tutorial. This is my setup for the camera until I get a better setup. And I use these headphones because it has a very good microphone. Like this, I could be heard clearly. So it's been already another 10 minutes. Here's what I got done for the sweater meanwhile. Now I'm putting this away and getting back to the ears. Okay, so I got the ears done. It's looking so cute already. So now I need to get the horns, but I need a little bit of stuffing for them, so I'm gonna go get that and then begin on the horns. Okay, been another 10 minutes. Now back to the tutorial. Are cast on. Now we're going to make 6 rows of ribbing, knit 2, purl 2. Back to the giraffe, and I think that I might be able to finish it in these 10 minutes. I just need to finish this horn and then 3 spots and I'm done. So let's see if I can make it this time. And I finished the giraffe. It's so cute. I absolutely love how it came out. It's absolutely adorable. And it's been just about another 10 minutes and it went so fast. I can't believe I got this done so fast, and it wasn't like, oh, I need to do now all the pieces, because I split it up between this and that, so it made it much easier and going much faster. And that's it. So now I'm gonna continue the tutorial and my giraffe is all ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time. All the best.